Hey everyone, welcome back to part 2 of the series. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, make sure to check it out first to understand everything better. The link to part 1 is in the description below. Once you're done with that, come right back here for part 2. Alright, without wasting any more time, let's dive straight into the video. Press Shift plus A to add a cube. Apply the subdivision modifier and turn optimal display off. Then go into edit mode and click subdivide by pressing the left click. After that, adjust it on the X axis. Then scale it on the Z axis. Select the middle top vertex and move it slightly upward. Similarly, adjust all the others as well. Then go to the y-axis, select the vertices and scale them on the y-axis. Do the same for the left side vertices and adjust them too. Now add a cube, apply subdivision, go into edit mode and subdivide it. After that, bring it near the finger and adjust it as shown in the reference image of the finger. As I mentioned earlier, the first time you try modeling, it's going to feel difficult and that's completely normal. But don't lose hope. The more you practice, the faster you will learn. Skills don't become strong overnight. They grow step by step with effort and consistency. So write this down or burn it into your mind. Trust the fucking process. That's the only way forward. Now go to the x-axis and adjust it accordingly, just like I'm doing. Then go to the y-axis, press Shift plus D to duplicate the finger and move it to the second finger and adjust. Repeat the same process for all the fingers and adjust them accordingly. After adjusting the fingers, select the top part of the hand, select the middle vertex and drag it inward to form the shape. Then add a cube, apply subdivision but do not subdivide it this time. Move it near the thumb. Select the bottom vertices and extrude them twice. Select the vertices and scale them to match the size of the thumb. Then create the thumb shape. Adjust it on the x-axis as well. After adjusting it on the X and Y axis, apply the modifiers and join the objects. Then go to sculpt mode and adjust the hand according to the reference image using the grab brush. After adjusting the shape, move the hand to its proper place and apply the mirror modifier. Then go into sculpt mode and adjust the body shape. After that, add a cube and create a bump, just like I'm doing. Once the bump shape is ready, apply a mirror modifier, apply the modifiers and join the bumps with the body by pressing Ctrl plus J. Then remesh using Ctrl plus R and smooth the character's bumps by holding Shift. Now add another cube, apply subdivision and move it near the boobs, then shape the boobs just like I'm doing. After shaping the boobs, apply the mirror modifier, apply the modifiers and join them with the body. Then go into sculpt mode, press Ctrl plus R to remesh and hold Shift to smooth. That's all for this part. In the next part, I will teach how to model the head fully. So give me permission now. See you in the next part. Goodbye.